All right, you guys. We're gonna get those bodies moving. We're gonna start with a little reach to the right, go up, up, 2 booty rolls. Reach, reach, roll. Last time like this. Now we're gonna travel to the right side. You're gonna go out, out, in, other side, out, out, in. You got it. To the right. Last time here. Good, we're gonna take a slow grapevine. Take it out, cut, out, and tap. Out, cut, out. One more time, slow. Using those arms to warm up the upper body. Now we're gonna take it a little faster. Here we go, it's right. It's left. Woo! Start to feel those endorphins. 4, 3, 2, last time. Hold it here, step tap. Just start to swing those arms side to side. So maybe go a little higher. 4, 3, 2, last time. You're gonna roll your booty high and low, high and low. For 2 and 1. From the top, step, touch right. Left, 2 rolls. We reach. No jumping today, we stay nice and grounded. Whew. Good, last time right here. We're gonna take that little pop to the right 2 times. Go, pop, pop, in. Pop, pop, in. Keep your core engaged, y'all. 2 more. Last time. We're gonna hit that slow grapevine right here. Go out, cut, out, in, out, cut, out, in. One more time, each way. Nice and slow. Let's go a little faster. Here we go, speed it up. It's right, it's left. Woo! Yes. Let's go, y'all. Give me 4, 3, 2, and 1. Swing it out, right, left. You got it. For 4, 3, let's take the booty roll high to low. Go high, go low, go high, go low. Let's keep this going. For 4, for 3, 2, and 1. Yes. All right, y'all. We're gonna change up that energy a little bit. Bring your feet wide. Engage through your core. We're gonna take a little pop and drop. So we go up, down, pop it, drop it. So you're popping that booty to the back, but we keep our core engaged here so we don't get injured. 4 more, 3 more, 2 more. Good. You're gonna reach your arms. Go up, down, roll your booty up, pull your right heel back, pull your left heel back. Go up, down, hey, pull. Good. Again, we go up, down, up, and pull. 4, 3, 2, hold it low. We're taking out, in, out. So we're in a squat position here. Booty back, weight in our heels. Core is tight, back is flat. Good, we're gonna go a little faster, speed it up. Out, in, out. Try not to bounce at all. Stay level, stay grounded. Woo, feeling it. One more time each way. Good, take a breath right here, just roll. Hey, hey, hey. 4, 3, good, we pop and drop. Pop it up, down, pop, drop. 2 more times. We're gonna reach up to the sky. Here we go, we reach up, drop, up, heel, pull. Good, hold low, travel slow, out, in, press, squeeze. Woo! Push your palms together, feel your chest fire up. Now we go faster. Let's go. Right for 2, left for 2. Stay low. Push into those heels. 4, 3, last 2, and 1. Roll your booty. We're here for 4, 3, let's pop it and drop it. 8, 8. 4 more like this. Up and up. Last 2. Point it up to the sky. We go up, down, roll the booty up. Heel pulls back, heel pulls back. Again, up, down, booty up. Pull. Good, drop it low. Slow steps. Out, in, switch it out. In, out, in. Yes. We're almost there, you guys. You ready to speed it up? Last time, let's go. Out, in, out. Woo! Let's go for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Booty roll. Woo! All right, y'all, we got one more song left. Bring your feet in. Pull your elbows tight, a little bend in your knees. Right arm is gonna push up, then switch. Up and switch, so full reach over the head. Energy at your fingertips. Nice and slow to start. Just that toe is reaching out, pull it back in. Good, now 2 to the right, slow. Out, in, out, switch. Out, in, out, switch. Woo! Good, we're gonna keep that double reach. We're just gonna take it faster. 2 to the right, quick reach. Reach, switch, switch. Out, in, out. Out, in, out. You got it. 4, 3, 2. 2 booty rolls. We go high and high. Squat, reach high. Booty for 2. Push back and up. Booty, booty, squat, lift. Good, let's take it back from the top. Reach right, slow. Slow. Big reach. Big reach. Give me 4. Here's our 3. We have 2. Woo! Good, 2 reaches on our right. 2 reaches on our left. Get taller. Out, in, out. Yes. Last time right here, and now you speed it up. We go 2 to the right, 2 to the left. Reach and reach. Come on, let's go. 4, 3, 2. Let's roll the booty 2 times. You go, roll for 2, squat, back, up. Roll for 2, squat, lift. Roll, 2, squat, lift. Last time, little change here. You're gonna take 2 pulses, down, down, kick the heel back, center, down, down, kick it back, center. Sink it low, push to lift, woo! Sink it low, push to lift. Let's go, 4 more. And reach. 3, and reach. Last 2, give it all you got, y'all. You're at your finish line. Last one, hold it low, little reach, out and out, little tap, tap. You're twisting across your torso. Woo! Little higher, up, up. You've got it. We're coming up on our final change. Good, hold here, you're gonna tap, heel, heel, right heel, left heel, out, in, stacking those forearms right at the center. Woo! Good, you have 4, 3, 2 to the right, 2 to the left. Go right, right, go left, left. Option for your final push. Speed it up. Let's go. You can right, left, left. Woo! Last 2, last set. Good, 7 sets. We made it. So good, you have 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it in, inhale. Exhale, let it all go, and give yourself a big round of applause, you guys. We'll see you back on the dance floor soon. Have a good one.